Hello everyone, long time no see. Yes, this is Johnny from Shenzhen KSD Cable. Yes, today I'd like to introduce two types of patch cord. Yes, for this one is LC, APC. Yes, it's a single mode and simplex LC, APC. For the green one is APC and this one is LC. Yes, so when we use it, open the dust cap and press here, get in or out. Don't use our hand to touch it. Yes, this is a single mode simplex LC APC. Yes, and for this one, it's much bigger than LC. That is SC. As you can see, they have two colors. One is blue, another one is green. For the blue is SC UPC. For the green one is SC APC. Yes, it's also the single mode and the simplex. So when we use it, put on the dust cap and direct in and direct out, and don't use our hand to touch it. So if you're interested in our products, please leave a message, and for the patch cord you need to tell us which type of adapter do you need, or simplex, duplex. For the adapter type we have LC, SC, FC and ST, and we have single mode and multi-mode. Yes, should tell us for this message, then we have a professional sales to contact with you. So see you next time, bye.